do why we're not catching any fish, fam. The dolphins are here. Check this out. We've just had one pop up over there. Here he is, just in there, look. Look how close he is. Hello, mate. That is literally 10 feet from me. Cruising up the river on the high tide. There he is. Hello. Don't think we're going to catch much today, fam, but that's okay. Hello, buddy. Right. Oh, he's feeding. He's got something. Look, look. He's got something. He's slapping the water with his tail so that he can feed on fish. That's probably one of the brim that we're trying to catch.